We invite you to learn about all of the support and success Max Brook Realtors and your sales associate can offer you during the process of selling your home. First off, welcome to our family. The Real Estate One family of companies is home to over 1,400 sales associates. We have the largest real estate network of over 65 branches in Michigan, ultimately sharing the latest details and updates about your home to more buyers in less time. Our sales associates are consistently working to improve the community and do so by participating in the Real Estate One Charitable Foundation events. Since its inception in 2004, the foundation has raised close to $1.5 million for charities like Special Olympics Michigan, the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, the National Multiple Sclerosis Society, and the Alzheimer's Association, along with many others. Our core values represent what is most important to us. These beliefs are practiced every day, whether we are interacting with one another or our clients. We can assure you will be working with someone who dedicates themselves to excellence, caring, integrity, teamwork, and empowerment when selling your home. Max Brook Realtors and the Real Estate One family of companies are also a part of one of Michigan's top workplaces. Based on employee surveys and feedback, we achieved our first top workplace title in 2011. We were ranked in the top 5 in the state and 51st in the nation for 2012. Now that you've gotten to know us, let's talk numbers. The year of 2012 was another record-breaking year for Max Brook Realtors and the Real Estate One family of companies, as you can see by the impressive numbers listed here. The Real Estate One family of companies is a member of the leading real estate companies of the world. This network is incredibly selective, only offering invitations to market share leaders of their given market areas. Together, you can see our global coverage is substantially multiplied and outperforms all of our other real estate franchises. Nationally speaking, Max Brook Realtors and the Real Estate One family of companies are ranked 10th in the nation with 18,564 transactions in 2012, according to Riz Media magazine. Our number of transactions continue to grow steadily year after year. Max Brook Realtors and the Real Estate One family of companies is the largest real estate firm in Michigan, closing about 10,000 more transactions than our closest competitor. Our main goal is to match buyers and sellers to the right properties, whether here in Michigan or around the world. Being the largest network helps us do so effectively and quickly, while giving our customers the best services available in the industry. Hitting even closer to home, according to Crain's Detroit Business, we are number 1 in the region, once again setting the bar high with over $2.6 billion in gross sales for 2012. Although we are a large company, our local expertise is beneficial to us and, more importantly, our clients. We are the only broker to hold a top position in every single Metro Detroit market, taking the number 1 spot in 16 out of 22 neighborhood markets. Marketing your property with Max Brook Realtors means marketing your property with top-of-the-line services and products. We market your home with over double the amount of marketing exposure, from using the multiple listing service to our most viewed broker site in Michigan. We have had 6.2 million unique web visitors in the past 3 years. Simply put, we are reaching more buyers using the most and the best marketing techniques. It's a tech-driven world out there, and here at Max Brook Realtors, we are conquering technology as it evolves. We have a global presence on all online media platforms, from Facebook to YouTube to Pinterest and more. We provide constant service right at your fingertips 24/7 with the free Max Brook Realtors mobile app. You can perform a GPS-enabled search of Michigan MLS listings, use our interactive drawing map, and view full-scale photo property details from absolutely anywhere using your smartphone. With our mobile app, you can stay connected with your sales associate at all times. Simply search their name, press the heart in the corner of their mobile profile, and click Set as your preferred agent. Numerous methods to contact your agent are now prevalent throughout your entire mobile app. When choosing Max Brook Realtors to list your property, you are selecting innovative marketing leaders. We offer our clients marketing material unlike anything found in the real estate industry. From the Market Minute video that displays the latest market trends about select areas of interest, to our monthly market update straight from our President of Brokerage Services, Dan Elsey, our local research gives our sellers the home advantage. Every sales associate has access to the multiple listings service, but we have an extensive network that provides the most marketing exposure for your home. Thank you for taking the time to learn the advantages we can offer you as a seller. Please visit www.maxbrook.com to learn more.